Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irda Yusmelindra. Here I will bring you news about earthquake magnitude 5.5. 10 to 5 magnitude quake Indonesia CNN on Tuesday, 10/11/2020, 8:30 past 9 o'clock. Jakarta, Indonesia CNN, earthquake with 5.5 magnitude rocked the district of Duramus, Lampung on Tuesday, 10 of November. In the morning, there have been no reports of damage from the quake. Based on information records of Brink's Twitter account, the quakes occurred at approximately 7.52 with at a depth of 10 km with 6:30 east and 10:10 BT coordinates. In Brink's record, in BMKG records, the epicenter was at Sams 121 km or 100 ME. Of the deaths, seismic tremors have been felt around the Umus region on a scale of AAA, Uli Belu, Liwa, and Duramus, Lampung. The scale of Mercalli instance MME. The Mercalli scale was one of the units to measure the magnitude of the earthquake, especially if there were not a 1 seismometer kit on the scan. As quake from BMKG page, on a scale AI, the vibrations were felt by some, like objects hanging from a rope swaying, while on a scale of AA, vibrations are felt real in the house. Felt the vibration as if a truck was pushing by in the report. BMKG states that the shaking of the earthquake did not have the potential to trigger a tsunami. Besides that, the Climatology and Geophysical Meteorology Agency BMKG warned that the province would be subjected to severe weather today. Among them are Banda Aceh, Bengkulu, North Kalimantan, NTB, NTT, Central Sulawesi, West Java rain and lightning. West Sumatra, North Sumatra have rain in Kalimantan, potential strong winds NTB. Thanks, and I'm sorry if that's wrong in my word. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.